Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an episode of Transpotting. Today we are at Hayes and Harlington on the Great Western Main Line, situated in the Greater London area, where we'll be seeing services today from GWR, Heathrow Express and TfL under the Elizabeth line. Departing now, we have this set of class 387s off to London Paddington from Didcot Parkway. Three 387-160 and 387-168. Coming through here we have an Elizabeth line service from Abbeywood, and it is going to Maidenhead. This will be a class 345. Thank you. And 345025. Nice tone from the driver there, thank you very much. Right now we have this class 345 off to Maidenhead. Three 45025 again. Coming through now, here we have this class 345 to Abbeywood from Heathrow Terminal 5. Three 45037. Right now is this class 345. Coming over here we have a pair of Heathrow Express class 387s off to Heathrow Terminal 5. There goes the class 345s. And then over here we have the class 387s. 387-134. And then GWR I2. $800-001. That service was from Oxford. Now coming in, we have this class 345 off to Heathrow Terminals 5 from Abbeywood. Three 45063. Coming through now, we have a GWR set of Class 387s from Newbury, 387146 and 387155. Passing through here, we have a GWR IET. Sorry that I didn't get the 345 leaving, I was eating my lunch, so yeah. 800 135. GWR IET 800 802 101. Then here we have
platform 3 of the 11:57 Elizabeth line, service to Reading.
345018. Sorry about the crunching. I probably shouldn't have brought my lunch, but hey. Coming through now, we have a set of Heathrow Express Class 387s from Heathrow Terminal 5 with 387139 and 387138 at the ready.